Again, I love this butter. It's great for the skin. Look at that. Yes, honey, yes. Yes, look at that glow. Looking flawless, looking lovely, okay? So, hello guys, it is your girl Jasmine Fox back at it again for another video, okay? Y'all, I'm sorry this video is so late. I have just lost track of time. I actually had filmed some content, but I was not happy with the way it turned out. So my motto is, if I wouldn't watch it, why would y'all, okay? But anyways, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite DIY moisturizer for my skin, my body and face to get them glowing, hydrated, and just ready to pop and flourish, okay? As y'all know, we are entering spring, so it's time to get that melanin and skin popping and just ready to glow, okay? I hope that you guys enjoy this video and find it informative, helpful, and all that jazz. Let's get right into it, okay? So just to give you guys a quick background, I do not use store-bought lotions on my face or body. I stopped using lotions years ago just because they have a lot of, you know, preservatives and other chemicals in them that are just completely detrimental to the health of my skin, and I'm sure anyone's skin, period, okay? The two primary moisturizers that I like to use on my face and body are 100% raw African shea butter and 100% extra virgin olive oil, okay? Now for my body, I recently got into the whole DIY whipped butters things. You know, a lot of people make those just for their skin, typically during the winter time, but I like to use it during the summer or any, you know, season. It's just great. So this is my container. I definitely need to make some more. I'll show you guys the consistency up close probably in another clip, but all this is just olive oil and shea butter melted together and then whipped up really fast, and then I just put it in this airtight container. And let me tell y'all, this lasts you so long, like for months and months, and a little bit goes such a long way. That's what I love about it. So right here, I'm just giving you guys a nice up close and personal look at the feel and consistency of this butter. I'll definitely do a more detailed description in the video of me actually making it, but as you can see, as soon as it is applied, it melts right into the skin and it leaves such a natural, subtle, and soft glow, you guys. It's not greasy at all, and it just leaves a very nice glow, as you guys can see right here, okay? And then right here, I'm just applying it to my collarbones because y'all know I love that collarbone action, okay? And it leaves such a great glow, as you can see, that reflects the light so well, and I just love it. There's a lot of different videos online of people showing you how to make whipped body butters and all that stuff. I was originally going to make this kind of like a video where I, you know, film me in the kitchen making it, but I wasn't sure if y'all even interested in seeing all that. So before I went through all that, getting all them angles and trying to, you know, do all that extraness, I wanted to make sure that y'all actually wanted to see it. So if y'all do want to see how I actually whip this up myself, then let's try to get this video to 100 likes. You know, I know we can do it. We've done it before. It's easy. I've gotten so much of y'all like new subscribers like out of nowhere, and by the way, hello guys. But yeah, so if y'all want to see how I, you know, whip this up, let's just try to get this video to 100 likes, okay? So as far as extra virgin olive oil is rich in so many antioxidants like vitamins A and E, and can even help repair skin damage from sun exposure, cigarette smoke, and pollutants, which I didn't even know. I know for a fact olive oil has always been used in my family, you know, for cooking, for health, for just so much. My mom uses it on her face and her skin is so beautiful. So, you know, that's kind of why I use olive oil on my face as well now too, because it's just great for rejuvenating the skin And I think it also is good for collagen production as well. I also use it as a makeup remover on my face, and as like a oil cleanser or an exfoliant as well, whenever you just want to massage it in, you know, and just get rid of dead skin and help rejuvenate new skin cells and stuff like that. And also, guys, in like ancient terms, back into the motherland, ancient Egypt, okay, they actually refer to it as liquid gold, y'all, you know, for all of its healing benefits and just great attributes. So, you know, that should say a lot about the oil. So it's definitely something that's a staple in my regimen that I definitely think contributes to, you know, the glowing and, you know, just getting that melanin popping. Okay, now we all know the great benefits of 100% raw African shea butter, but just to go over a few for particularly the skin, it is anti-inflammatory and also has anti-aging components for the skin. Shea butter is rich in vitamins A, E, and F, and even offers UV protection with an SPF up to 6, which is pretty good. It also consists of a lot of essential fatty acids and other nutrients necessary for collagen production. Okay, sorry y'all, making sure my eyeliner not leaking. Okay. So yeah, shea butter is great. It also treats wrinkles, scars, and just any type of discoloration or dryness even. Do not be afraid of oils and butters, y'all. Of course, do your own research, but things that naturally come from the earth, they're not like, you know, man-made stuff. Our bodies, you know, thrive off of these types of oils and butters. So don't fear them if you think that your skin, if you think it'll be too heavy or, you know, just too oily or anything for you. Just make sure you do your research first. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I've been using shea butter and olive oil on my skin for years, and I think that it definitely contributes to the glow, you know. And I had a few comments on a few previous videos. I was looking back, and a lot of people were asking me about doing a, you know, skincare routine, or what do I use for my skin to help it glow. And y'all, shea butter and olive oil, it's the way to go. Okay, also, just to touch on it really quickly, okay, another huge contribution to my skin glowing is definitely, I think, this bad boy, which we all know, water. Okay, water. You should be drinking, actually the recommended amount is half of your body weight a day. So all you would do is just take how many pounds you weigh, divide that by 2, and that's how much you should drink a day. Now, I personally used to do that, but I wanted to amp it up a little bit. I started researching the benefits of drinking like a gallon a day. So I had first tried to do that, but instead I drink close to a gallon a day. So I drink 2 of these a day. One of these is 63 ounces. Okay, so 2 of them is 126 ounces of water. I know that sounds crazy. I was just talking, we were out at a restaurant the other day, and the lady had came to me because she notices whenever we go there, I always have this, and she's like, "You drink that all the time? How much do you drink?" And I was like, 2, and she was like, "What?" And I was like, yes, like I drink a lot of water, and it's amazing, guys. You know, once you program your body to drink, you know, or just you kind of start changing its habits, your body will naturally start to crave, you know, this much water. Like, I'm gonna tell y'all, like, originally, like when I first started doing this, it was like, geez, it was hard to keep up with. But now it's like I can drink one of these by the time it hits 1 o'clock a.m. So just to, you know, let you guys know, don't be like, you know, so in awe when you see that someone drinks close to a gallon, because honestly, anybody can do it. You know, of course, research to make sure that, you know, your body will respond safely to it. But water is great because it basically will just continuously flush you out throughout the day. There's so much in the air, in just life, period, in our food and everything. And we just have to make sure that we are constantly flushing those toxins out, y'all, okay? And making sure that our bodies are hydrated. our bodies are composed primarily of water, so we have to continue to keep it hydrated, and that's how you keep your hair flourishing, keep your nails flourishing, everything, okay? So yes guys, I know this video was probably really quickly. Hope I wasn't all over the place because I am rushing out the house, but I really wanted to get some content up because I saw that my last video is now 1 month ago, and we can't do that, okay? So I hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it informative, helpful, all that jazz. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video, okay? Bye guys.